There it is. Volleyball action. Ooh, nice one. Nice slam, buddy. Volleyball action. Ocean Beach, San Diego, February 15th, one day after Valentine's Day. Ooh, that one went out. That one didn't make it, buddy. Come on, cross the line. Crossing the line. Now what are you doing? Checking P-mail? Huh? All right, everybody. Oh, we got a little kid watching volleyball action. Cool. Come on, Suze. Let's go. Outdoor showers, February. San Diego. Looking good. Looking good, everybody. Volleyball action. Here's our buddies. This team right here has the best. These people right here have the best volleyball action on the whole beach. They get the best volleys. Oh, it's going all the way over now. Look at this, everybody. Look at these volleys these guys have. This is awesome. Oh!